These days, many people exercise at a gym. It seems like a great idea, but what are the advantages and disadvantages of exercising at a gym? There are several advantages to exercising at a gym. First, you have access to lots of fitness equipment. Consequently, you save money and exercise different parts of your body. Secondly, you can get advice from instructors. As a result, you learn the proper use of the equipment and get better results. However, there are also disadvantages to exercising at a gym. Firstly, it can be expensive. This is because you have to pay membership even if you don't go. In addition, it can be boring at times. For example, it can involve repetition of the same movements many times. To sum up, there are points for and against exercising at a gym. Yet I believe overall, going to the gym is a good way to exercise because you have access to the latest exercise equipment and expert advice.